Experience precision and power with top-quality tools for your sessions. The best torch for dabs delivers intense, consistent flame for effortless, concentrated use. Compact, durable, and easy to control, it ensures smooth, reliable performance every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ravs Creme Dabs Torch. The Ravs Creme Dabs Torch stands out with its solid metal construction, offering a durability advantage over typical plastic butane torches. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to control during precise tasks. This portable torch features dual flame modes that can be switched effortlessly, while the flame adjustment knob allows for precise control over the size and intensity, reaching temperatures up to 1300 degrees Celsius or 2372 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for versatility, it works well for gourmet cooking, small welding projects, jewelry making, and arts and crafts. The piezo press ignition ensures instant lighting, while the wide copper base provides excellent stability, preventing tipping during use. Refilling is simple, though it is recommended to use high-quality, pure butane to maintain optimal performance. Overall, the Ravs Creme Dabs Torch combines safety, functionality, and convenience in a compact, professional design, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable and powerful torch for dabbing or other precision applications. Number 2. Molgoc Butane Dabs Torch. The Molgoc Butane Dabs Torch is engineered with safety and convenience in mind, featuring a stainless steel heat shield that prevents accidental burns by protecting your hand from the metal flashlight body. Its anti-scalding device ensures safe handling, even during prolonged use. The torch comes with an adjustable flame guard, allowing you to control flame intensity with precision. Equipped with a simple push-button ignition, it enables quick and reliable lighting, and the flame continues even after releasing the button, making it convenient for continuous work. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and store, while its refillable butane system ensures repeated efficient use. Though the torch itself is durable and high-performing, users must supply their own butane gas. Ideal for dabbing, cooking, small soldering projects, and other creative applications, the Molgoc torch delivers both power and safety. Its thoughtful design, from the flame adjustment knob with safety lock to the anti-scalding features, makes it a practical and reliable tool for anyone seeking a sturdy, professional-grade torch for concentrated heating needs. Number 3. Blazer Shot Dabs Torch. The Blazer Shot Dabs Torch is a professional-grade tool designed for precision and safety. Its brass frame nozzle and anti-flare design ensure controlled flames, reducing the risk of accidents. The gas flow adjustment dial provides easy control over flame length, while the piezoelectric ignition system allows for reliable starting without requiring an electrical connection. With a maximum flame temperature of 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, this torch delivers a powerful and precise heat source ideal for dabbing, culinary work, small-scale welding, or jewelry projects. The attachable tabletop base offers hands-free operation, making it convenient for extended use or multi-step processes. Its robust construction and high-quality materials ensure longevity and consistent performance, even under frequent use. Users are advised to handle the torch carefully, as it functions as a precision instrument where proper maintenance and cautious operation are essential. Number 4. Ravs DIY Dabs Torch impresses with its industrial-style metal body, designed for both durability and safety. Its long angled nozzle keeps hands safely away from the flame, while the wide metal base provides stable support, preventing tipping. The ergonomic anti-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip during extended use. Featuring a large diameter, heat-resistant ceramic nozzle, the torch produces a strong, steady flame with adjustable intensity, reaching temperatures up to 1300 degrees Celsius or 2372 degrees Fahrenheit. The piezo ignition system allows for rapid and continuous flame output with minimal effort. Refilling the torch is quick and straightforward, taking only 5 to 7 seconds, with included accessories for extending the nozzle and venting. This torch is extremely versatile, suitable for culinary applications like creme brulee, pudding, and sous vide cooking, as well as barbecuing, cocktail preparation, candle ignition, and craft or resin work. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance, while safety features keep the user protected during operation. Number 5. inZaynity Brown Dabs Torch. The inZaynity Brown Dabs Torch is a versatile and high-performing tool designed for precision and convenience. Its dual flame system provides both torch and lighter-style arcs, which can be adjusted using the control knob, giving users complete control over flame intensity. The ignition lock feature allows for continuous flame use for up to 30 minutes, perfect for culinary, creative, or technical tasks. Built from durable Kirkside and zinc alloy, the torch is strong and resistant to heavy-duty use, while its compact design ensures easy storage in a drawer or toolbox. Suitable for cooking, searing, soldering, resin art, and other detailed projects, this torch offers professional performance in a portable package. Aesthetic appeal is also prioritized with 4 stylish colors and a sleek design, making it a great addition to any kitchen or workshop. The deluxe gift bags makes it an ideal gift for chefs, bartenders, or hobbyists. Combining safety, durability, and precision, the inZaynity Brown Dabs Torch is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, multifunctional torch that balances power with style and usability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.